Okay, we're going to take a look today at some advanced color designations and how to get desired results from your prints. So here we have half of a baby rattle. This is a part that's supposed to be injection molded. You can see here we've got our geometry where the two halves are supposed to locate, and inside this void would be filled with some beads and the two halves fused together. So the requirement for this part was for it to be green, and the most vivid green possible. So at the moment, if I go take a look at my color designations, this is the green that's been selected, and with the materials that's being used are the standard Vero color materials. So I've got my regular Vero cyan, magenta and yellow. Now in order for me to achieve the most vibrant colors, I really should be using the vivid Vero materials. So let me go and select these materials, and I'm going to remove these materials, and I'm going to go and select the vivid materials, which is designated by this V. I'm going to add those materials. And now, one of the things to be aware of is that the vivid materials are transparent. So in this case, I would have a very vivid green. However, I would see the beads inside my part, which is not desired in this particular situation. So the solution is to apply the vivid coating or the vivid color as a coating onto a core of white. Now, a difficult way to do this would be to go off and model these two separate bodies in CAD and then import them into GrabCAD and make those material assignments as an assembly of parts. However, GrabCAD has a very nice feature called coating, which I'll go and show you now. So we go here to coating, and this gives me two tabs now. I've got my coating and I have my model. So for the model, I'm going to make the Vero pure white material assignments, and for the coating I'm going to go for a green assignment. Now in order to get the most vivid, vibrant green, I should apply it as a digital material rather than using the color picker or my RGB input. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to select my digital materials of cyan and yellow in order to get a green. So we've got here digital material magenta and yellow. So here we have the digital material, Vero cyan and Vero yellow, both of them vivid, and I can select that, and that is going to give me the preset digital materials between these two colors or two materials. So for a nice green, I'm going to select the CY cyan yellow 004, and that is going to give me a material or a color that is made up only of cyan and yellow with no other colors mixed in, as you would have if I chose a color using the color picker. And again, so this is the coating is the digital material in color, and the core is going to be my white material. Now the coating, I should specify a thickness. Now the thicker the coating, the more vibrant the color will be. Now in this case it's quite a thin part, and I need to leave enough space for the white core. So I'm going to make an assignment here of a 0.75 because I know that my part is rather thin, and that will still leave me with enough space for a solid white core and a vibrant colour on the outside. I can go off and send this for an estimate. I can print the file, and we can see the results.